In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine and blend photos seamlessly in Canva. Whether you're creating a stunning Instagram post or designing an eye-catching presentation, knowing how to blend images can elevate your project to the next level. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Canva and open a new design project. Once you're in, click on the upload button located in the left-hand toolbar. This is where you can bring in the images that you want to work with. Simply drag and drop your chosen images into the workspace, overlapping them as you'd like them to appear in your final composition. Next, look for the image blender option. This tool is a fantastic feature in Canva that allows you to merge images in a way that looks both professional and cohesive. Click on it to start combining your overlapping images smoothly. Now, with your images selected, click on the option labeled Blend Selected Image. This is where the magic starts to happen. The image blender tool will merge your photos, creating a unified and aesthetically pleasing look. This feature is particularly great for creating transitions and ethereal effects that can bring a unique flair to your project. Once you've blended your images, you'll find another handy option called Radial within the blending settings. Click on this choice to enhance the effect. The radial option will allow you to add a soft vignette that can softly draw the focus towards the center of the photo blend, giving your composition a natural depth. With the radial effect applied, the next step is all about adjustment. You can drag the effect to adjust how it looks until it's just right for your design. This is where you can get creative and tailor the effect to perfectly suit your style. Maybe you want a subtle touch or perhaps something a little more dramatic. Use the drag tool to finesse the final appearance. Finally, once you're happy with how everything looks, don't forget to save your work. In Canva, the save option is typically located in the top right corner of your screen. Just a click and your beautifully blended imagery will be securely saved, ready to be downloaded and shared with the world. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you can blend photos in Canva just like a pro. Experiment with different images and settings to see what compelling compositions you can create. With a bit of practice, you'll have this technique down in no time, making your designs truly stand out. Thanks for watching and happy designing.